Welcome to the Westcoast Multirotor Club. Please watch carefully as we take you through the safety briefing. Failsafe Inspections. Every multirotor must be inspected and have a proven working failsafe. To do this, please ensure your props have been removed, and you present your multirotor to the safety officer or the delegate for inspection. Once ready, you will be asked to arm your multirotor and give a little throttle, followed by switching off your transmitter. Your multirotor should completely stop the props from spinning within about 3 to 4 seconds. If your failsafe fails this test, then you will not be allowed to fly this multirotor until it has been rectified and retested. Powering up your multirotor. Powering up of any multirotor is not permitted in the pits area, whilst the props are on. There is no flying of any multirotors until all fail-safe inspections have been completed. This will prevent any issues causing loss of video signal due to other members powering up and testing their multirotors and checking video frequencies. If your props are on, you must only power up in the field once all inspections are completed, and you have confirmed that there are no other pilots on your video frequency, and you are at least 30 meters away from the pits area. Video frequencies and power output. 25 milliwatt is the maximum allowable power output for any operating multirotor as per MAAA regulations. Video frequency channels here at Westcoast Multirotors are channels 5740, 5780, 5820 and 5860, which are Fat Shark channels 1, 3, 5, and 7. During race events you may need to change your video frequency for your next race. Please ensure you have this done between race rounds when there is no flying. It is your responsibility to ensure you know how to change your video transmitter's frequency when required to do so. If you are unsure, please ask another member or one of the officials for assistance. Loss of video signal or physical control of your multirotor. If you lose your video signal and you have the ability to safely remove your goggles and take safe control of your multirotor in line of sight, then you may do so. If you cannot competently do this or you lose physical control of your multirotor, you must disarm your multirotor immediately and allow it to fall to the ground. As per the MAAA regulations, no return to home functions are permitted as a viable fail-safe option here in Australia. Personnel on the field. No personnel are permitted on the field during a racing event or other club event, other than a freestyle competition. During a freestyle competition, the pilot will have an assisting person for flipping over the multirotor or changing the props within the allowed flight time. The assisting person can only gain access to the field once the multirotor has been disarmed. The assisting person then accesses the field and flips over the multirotor or changes out the props. Once complete, they must exit the field immediately. Only once the assisting person is 30 meters away they can call, "all clear," or go, and the freestyle flight resumes. In the event a multirotor catches fire in a crash, the race director or event director will call out, "Land your aircrafts immediately." Once called, all multirotors must land where safe to do so and disarm. Charging batteries. Batteries should only be charged in the pits area or at your own vehicle. Batteries should not be left unattended at any time. Batteries should be charged on a fireproof surface or inside a lipo-safe bag. Batteries are not to be charged inside any enclosed buildings, including the toilets and canteen area. Access to the canteen. No one is to access the canteen unless you are a person responsible for running the canteen, or you are one of the official officers of the club. This rule becomes exempt in the event of an incident that requires you to obtain a fire extinguisher, or a fire blanket, or the first aid kit. First aid. In the event you, or another person requires first aid, please notify the safety officer, or one of the other club officers immediately. A first aid kit can be found inside the canteen area. Please ask a canteen member for assistance. A list of emergency contact details, and the details of this location, can be found in the canteen area. On behalf of the West Coast Multi-Rotor Club, the officers, the committee members and the members of the club, please have a safe and enjoyable day.